Okay, so Ganesh, let's start with the snap for thermodynamics. And
Yes, sir.
before I go for that, I want your brief details, Ganesh. You are going for NPCIL interview. So your brief details about your gate and how you got NPCIL and was there written test or something for the information of
Uh,
students here.
yes, sir. Sir, with miss last year, miss I gave gate, and in that, based on that, I shortlisted for the interview, and interview is means they shortlisted 1:2 in 12 ratio, and in the list my rank is 18 in the list of that.
So Ganesh, what is your CGPA, gate score and all?
Sir, my MTech CGPA is 8.5, and I already did MTech in from National Institute of NIT Trichy, and my gate score is 642 in a reserve in ST category, and this is and also I am working as a assistant professor.
Okay, great. So Ganesh, now should we go for thermodynamics? Have you taught this subject in college?
Yes, sir.
Great. So basic thermodynamics you want, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me something about the laws of thermodynamics.
Sir, there are four laws: zeroth law, then first law, second law, and third law. These
Tell
are
me
the
something about third law.
laws of.
Tell me something about third
Sir,
law.
third law tells about the absolute zero temperature, which tells entropy of the pure substance is a zero. Entropy of the uh, entropy of the pure substance is a zero. So just a moment.
Okay, Ganesh, go ahead with the third law you were
Uh,
explaining. Yeah.
Sir, the entropy of the pure crystal substance is zero when we approaches zero absolute temperature.
Is that the third law, or it says that you cannot approach 0 Kelvin?
Sir, third law tells about we cannot approach to the zero Kelvin, but once we try to approach, then entropy will be zero.
What is the relevance of that?
It states that at zero Kelvin there is no motion of the molecule, and so substance will not possess any energy.
So entropy is related to energy.
Yes, sir.
How? Which
Sir,
energy?
entropy basically that total unavailable energy not used for the doing any work,
Tell me
that is
again.
unavailable. The energy which is not used for the doing any work in a thermodynamic process, that is unavailable energy.
So is entropy related to unavailable energy? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, sir.
How do you calculate entropy for water? Suppose I want to calculate entropy change for a water. How do you do that?
Sir, with the initial and final temperature, we can calculate like we have T2 is a final temperature and T1 as a initial temperature, and we know mass and specific heat of water. Then we get MCP ln of T2 by T1.
Can you write second law of thermodynamics?
Yes, sir.
Can you write that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please write.
So for heat engine or Clausius?
No, second law.
Clausius.
It is
Oh,
independent of this.
oh, yes, yes, yes.
I want expression,
Yes, sir.
equation.
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, integral dq by t less than equal to 0.
I want it for process.
Process. Yes, sir. ds is equal to dq by t plus entropy generation.
Okay. Now tell me, is entropy related to all the form of energy or heat energy only? See this equation and tell me.
Can you repeat?
Is entropy change related only to heat energy?
Yes, sir.
What about work?
Sir, according to first law, summation of work is equal to summation of heat also. And if work is not means there is no boundary changing, then work is 0, and once work is 0, heat is also 0 for that
No,
case.
I give you a piston cylinder mechanism, huh?
Yes, sir.
And there's a displacement work taking place, PdV work taking place.
Yes, sir.
P1, V1, P2, V2 are given to you.
Yes, sir.
Will there be entropy change? Assume
Yes,
the
sir.
system to be adiabatic,
Yes, sir. Entropy will be changed.
but dq is 0.
Yes, sir.
Even then, it will be entropy change will be there.
Yes, sir. Because entropy generation.
But second law says entropy change is related to dq by t.
Sir, it is only for the reversible one.
Okay, if
For
I
reverse,
expand reversibly, PdV work, if I do reversibly, let me give you a reversible process.
yes, sir.
Let's say isothermal process is a reversible process, right?
Yes, sir.
I give you isothermal expansion. Now it is a reversible process, right?
Yes, sir. For reversible process, there is no entropy.
No entropy change. Please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
So suppose I give you isothermal process, which is a reversible process. Do you see entropy change will not be there?
Yes, sir. There will be entropy change.
There will be, right?
Yes, sir.
But you know this dq. If suppose dq term is coming 0 and the process is reversible, then
Then entropy is 0, sir. It will become asyntropy. Means we call it as adiabatic.
so that means we can calculate entropy change for isochoric, isobaric, and all the processes, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We can calculate for all of these.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is entropy change only related to dq? Suppose I give you
No,
adiabatic
sir.
process. I give you adiabatic process.
No. Yes, sir. It is related to entropy generation also. Like in irreversible process, even if it is an adiabatic process, the entropy is 0, but it is a irreversible process, and there is a heat generation, and because of there is entropy.
Okay. Now take a glass of water
Yes, sir.
and its temperature is 40 degrees centigrade.
Yes, sir.
Ambient temperature is 27 degrees centigrade.
Yes, sir.
Find the entropy of glass of water.
Yes. So initially, temperature of the water is 40 degree.
Yeah.
Sir, the entropy of the glass become mass of the water, then specific heat of water into ln of 20, means we convert atmospheric temperature into Kelvin, which become 300 Kelvin divided by the 313 Kelvin.
That is the entropy change.
Yes, sir.
But I want to calculate entropy at particular state when the temperature is 40 degrees centigrade.
Sir, at particular state, we take the ratio of heat to the temperature. We calculate heat from EMCP dt, and we are calculating at 40 degrees. So we take the temperature 40, means 313 Kelvin.
Okay, suppose the temperature of water is 27 only, like ambient. Now what is the entropy? As per that formula, log of T2 by T1.
Sir, Q by T, because there is no temperature difference. So specific heat become infinity, and we calculate with.
How specific heat of water becomes infinity? Specific heat of water remains 4.12 only, 18 only.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. It's for reservoir. Miss, I confuse it. Miss, if temperature difference is 0, miss, like that. But in that case, we calculate Q by T with calculating Q and with the ambient temperature.
Okay, tell me something about the available energy.
Sir, when we supply heat to the system, from that, if for a cycle, we get the maximum work output.
Okay, and how do you calculate unavailable energy?
Sir, unavailable energy, which is the part of the heat supplied which is not used for the work.
How do you calculate it?
How to calculate it?
How you
Sir,
calculate it?
on the hello, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, it is a available energy, heat supplied minus available energy, and from the TS diagram we get the area, which is when we reject the heat, the portion below the rejection, that is unavailable energy.
And how do you calculate irreversibility?
Sir, irreversibility is the ambient temperature into entropy generation.
Okay, how do you define it? What is the actual meaning of irreversibility?
It's definition or what is it?
Definition, yeah. How do you calculate it? What is the meaning of it?
Sir, irreversibility tells that increase in the unavailable energy or loss in the available energy.
Okay, so let me give you the feedback, Ganesh, for your this snap of thermodynamics.
Yes,
सी आपको थोड़ा सा इसको रिवाइज करो सब्जेक्ट को. अभी बहुत सी जगह पे बेसिक पॉइंट्स पे तुम अटक रहे हो. मे बी प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड नहीं है या नॉलेज नहीं है, दो में से एक चीज हो सकता है. मे बी यू आर नॉट वेरी अटेंटिव इन द इंटरव्यू. जैसे ये एंट्रोपी सेकंड लॉ है, सेकंड लॉ को कैसे लिखना है इक्वेशन, वो तुम्हें आती थी लेकिन तुम शुरू में हिट नहीं कर पाए वहां पे. फिर एंट्रोपी कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है एक पॉइंट पे. एंट्रोपी इज अ पॉइंट फंक्शन, स्टेट फंक्शन. इट कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड एट अ पॉइंट, एट अ स्टेट.
yes,
Majority student think that entropy change only can be calculated, but entropy is a property. It can be calculated at a state also. But for
Yes, sir.
that you have to take a reference point. Like what is
Yes,
the
sir.
potential energy of this pen? Unless until you identify the reference, you cannot calculate the height. Similarly, to calculate entropy, you need to find out the reference. Let's say 0
Yes,
degree
sir.
centigrade is a reference temperature for us. Then water का entropy 27 degree centigrade पे क्या होगा? mCp log of T2 by T1 is equal to S2 minus S1. At T1 0 degree centigrade or 273, let's say S0 S1 is 0. रेफरेंस पे एंट्रोपी को मैंने 0 मान लिया, तो 27 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे कितना हो जाएगा? S2. S2 minus 0 is equal to mCp log of 300 Kelvin over 273 Kelvin. That gives me entropy at 27 degree centigrade.
Sir,
What is
सर
unavailable?
ये थिंग,
या
सर ये थिंग एक्सप्लेन करना है क्या उसी के साथ इंटरव्यू में, जो
हाँ,
अभी
तो
आपने
तुम्हें
बताया?
निकालने को बोला ना उसने, तो तुम निकाल कहाँ रहे हो?
अच्छा 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 अच्छा.
तुम गलत निकाल रहे थे ना फॉर्मूला, तुम्हें पता नहीं लग रहा था एंट्रोपी कैसे निकालना है वाटर का.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
तो तुम्हें निकालना आना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
And then unavailable energy is T naught into delta S of the system. And then irreversibility is T naught into delta S generation. Delta S generation means delta S system plus delta S surrounding. ऐसे तुम्हें निकालना होता है, राइट? तो
Yes.
ये सारी की सारी टर्म्स एक बार रिवीजन मार लो, मैराथन वीडियो दोबारा सुन लो एक दो बार. अभी ढंग
Okay,
से
sir. Okay, sir.
उसमें से बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चन निकलेंगे. You can solve.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Go through that, Ganesh, and you can do that. Fine.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, revise it well. Thank you.
Yes, sir.